In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect PS5 controller to Genshin Impact. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys have to do is head over to your settings, go to general, and here click on about. Now here you can see your iPad OS version. Now to connect a PS5 controller to your iPad needs to be at least 14.5 or later. And this is very important. Now if your iPad's less than this, then try and software update your iPad. And if there are no updates, then unfortunately you cannot connect the PS5 controller to your iPad. Now, once you've done that, then let's go ahead to the main part and see how this works. So to get your controller into pairing mode, this is what you have to do. You have to hold the PS button and the create button. You have to hold these buttons together. So hold these buttons together, hold them for about like 5 seconds, and then this light you see around your touchpad, which I'm gonna mark with orange, this thing is gonna start blinking blue. Now once it's blinking blue, that indicates that your controller is currently in pairing mode. Then you're gonna head over to your settings, go to Bluetooth, and under the other devices option, you're gonna wait for your DualSense wireless controller to pop up. Just go ahead and connect it, and then this light, the orange light, is gonna turn solid. Then what you have to do is you're just gonna go ahead and Genshin Impact, tap the Paimon menu on the top left, go to settings, open controls, and change the control type to controller, and then restart the game when asked. And that's how easy it is to connect your PS5 controller to Genshin Impact. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.